At Ferris State, we're more than our student-faculty ratio.
More than our variety of programs, our internship rate,
or our student organization. Be a bulldog.
Before I go away, down to the village with the broomstick in his hand.
2018 Fenton Jinglefest went on despite the threat of rain, which drizzled but mostly held off until after the fireworks. This is the 17th year for the festival, which draws tens of thousands, and approximately the 40th year for the tree lighting ceremony. There were multiple nonprofit organizations that helped, and 43 floats. Before the parade, there were several activities, including the Jingle Jog, Brunch with Santa, live entertainment, and horse-drawn wagon rides. This is Tim Jagielo with the Drier.